Today I'm in a 2017 Ram DS. This is one of our customers' vehicles. He brought it to us to get a UBD installed. This is our 8-inch wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto infotainment system upgrade. We also installed the volume bezel, which is exclusive for us. That gives you a physical volume knob when you don't have dual zone climate equipped from the factory. This upgrade looks great, it sounds great, completely wireless. We're gonna see what he thinks about it when he comes in.
I'm Curtis, and I drive a 2017 Ram 1500, and it's a lower model, so I didn't have a whole lot of extras in it, but now I do. The radio that came with the truck was a basic model, just a standard AM/FM radio, basically, with Bluetooth, and that was it. So I decided I wanted a little more than that, upgrade the truck a little bit. I looked at some other things, and previous vehicles I've owned, I've gone to other brands, and they just didn't seem to have that finished look. So I looked at Infotainment and did some searching online and found some good information on them. So they looked a lot better than what I had done before. Probably the biggest one was I didn't have a backup camera in the truck, and there were times when my wife, she drives her own car, but there were times when we didn't have the other car available, and she refused to drive this truck without a backup camera. She could not see to back up. So that was the main feature, was just getting the backup camera set up. And of course my old radio didn't have a screen that would accommodate that, but this one does. So now hopefully I can get her to drive it a little bit. This upgrade is going to change my experience a lot, because basically with CarPlay I can put GPS right on the screen. It's a lot better than trying to look at your phone and try to get that done. So yeah, that's going to be a big upgrade for me. The volume control, infotainment helped me out a lot with that, because I guess that because of this certain model truck, there were some codes that weren't right. So they actually used my truck and got the codes right and got the volume fixed, and that was great. So infotainment was great in figuring that out. I play with my new infotainment system, figure out what it does, and that's going to be fun for me to do, because I like doing this kind of stuff.